this video is for if you signed up to be a place judge. Place judges will be stationed in a chair on either end of the pool. So this is our deep end for the longer events, and then the shallow end for the shorter events. For a home meet, because we have 8 lanes, we are required to have 3 judges, 2 from the home team, us, and then 1 from the visiting team. All away meets, no one has 8 lanes like we do, so it'll only be 2, 1 from our team, 1 from their team. So the reason that we have the 3 requirement is because technically the first place judge, the second place judge from opposing teams work together for lanes 1 through 4, and then the third place judge from our team does the other 4. Honestly, what really happens is they all 3 work together. You need to have a competitive spirit, but also be able to collaborate. If there is ever a moment that you can't agree, then the ASA official will trump everybody and tell you which lane won or which place was what lane. When you check in with our work shift coordinator, you will be handed a heat sheet, and that heat sheet is yours, and of course your writing utensil. With the heat sheet, it is organized in such a way that it has, the events numbers, the lanes, and all of that. You will choose how you record it, but most place judges will record where you see the heat sheet, and I'll have an example for you on screen of where to record it, and usually you'll just quickly write what lane touched first. You have to be very aware of what lanes are what lanes. Our starting blocks will have the numbers on the top, and then we do have sandbags in the shallow end that helps really clearly show you which lanes. Now away meets, sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's not. So you really have to be aware of what lane is won and what lane is the last lane, and being quick on what touches when. The middle lanes are usually the ones that are the faster swimmers. So for our lanes, that'll be lanes 4, 5, and 6. And usually the slower lanes will be on the end. That's not always the case, but that is usually what happens with seed times and how our computer program assigns our swimmers to lanes. So you're quickly writing down lane 4, lane 6, lane 5, lane 7, lane 8, lane 2, lane 1, lane 3. And then from there, you all coordinate, you make sure that all is the same. Behind you is going to be the judge's recorder, and they're going to take that information and record it on their sheet. So it's very important that all 3 of you are in agreement. At away meets, the 2 of you will be in agreement, and then that way that times can be recorded in the places, and then that goes to the computer system. So yes, it's very important that you are always attentive, aware, and being able to quickly write down the lanes on your sheet of paper.